All right, I'm going to try my best here to cover all these points on my brain from the glossary. My specimen didn't really have an arachnoid matter. I do have my cerebellum back here, tree of life, cerebral aqueduct, right below my third and fourth ventricles, but again, my large ventricle here, so it's going to be in this region down here. Cerebrum, two hemispheres, so the outer layer here. The choroid plexus, that's going to be located within this ventricle. It's hard to find, small specimen, but it's going to be in there. Corpus callosum, large band of nervous tissue. It's going to be kind of in that same region below those ventricles. Cortex, that's your outer portion of the cerebrum, so just the outermost layers there. Cranial nerves, a lot of them are not showing up the best here, but they're all going to be located for the most part on the underside of this brain. The dicephalon, thalamus, and hypothalamus, so it's going to be kind of easy to find in this region, but right around here. Dura mater, again, I don't think this one had uh, dura mater attached. Gray matter be located within here, along with the white matter. All right, the gyrus, the folds of the cerebellum, or I kind of just think of them as the ridges. So it's going to be the portion that sticks out, the sulci, going to be the folds. Hippocampus, below the lateral ventricles. So I got my ventricles here. It's going to be this region here. And these small brain specimen, it's hard to find a lot of details, or at least I think so. Hypothalamus. Around here. The hypophysis, pituitary gland. I mean, this lower region here, I'm not sure if it's just stuck to the brain or maybe my specimen didn't come with one, but under the side here. Medulla to be on the bottom of the brainstem here. And midbrain is going to be located up in here. Olfactory bulb. This one, again, I can't really tell. It's not that super picture perfect bulb, but be on the underside of the brain in this region. I don't know if it's under here, just not super defined on this specimen. The optic chiasma, the crossing point right here. Pia matter, I do believe mine has a little bit left on there as I kind of mess around with it. There is sort of a thin layer along the outer side of this brain. So I'm pretty sure mine still has some pia matter left on it. Penal body, right there. And the pons, and that's going to be on my brain stem underneath, located in the upper portion there. And the sulcus or the sulci, again, that's going to be the grooves in the brain. located throughout. Thalamus, it's a nice circle right there, kind of stands out pretty well. Ventricle, that's this kind of fold right here, kind of shows up nice on this hemisphere that I was able to pull apart. Again, that's where the choroid plexus is going to be found within there. And finally, the white matter again is throughout the brain here. And that is the overview of my sheep brain.